Wait, no.
Ready?
Oh, man. What? Hey, jeez.
Let me take it out. Go outside.
Look at this.
Man, big one. Big one.
It's big.
Yeah.
It's a cup. Got it. Okay. Wait.
I got a fish. One. Give me it.
Okay, give me a second.
Slow. Slow. One more.
Big.
One more.
Big one?
Yeah, big one.
Man, how can I go there with the camera, man? Too big.
Yeah. You want here?
Okay, good.
Let me grab it.
Go. Wait. Go ahead.
See?
Oh.
Damn. Look at that. This is not good, right?
That one's the same, the one that got it.
There you go. One more there.
That one's the same one, the one we got it, right?
No, these are different, I think.
Yeah,
These are different. These are different.
Yeah?
This one is good. That one not so good. We'll record it here. Maybe take it out. Take it out. There you go. See? See? Para comer mañana. I like you. Mucho.
Huh? Mucho?
You have a bag?
No.
I like here. This one good, right? Do you have a bag?
I don't have a bag one.
Huh?
We can go back over there.
Where? Go right there.
Too far, right?
Too far, yeah. Maybe.
Yeah, we put it over there.
How to fish in.
Oh man, you got two same thing, you got three, man.
This one alarm, I see.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll put it here.
Yeah, we can put that.
Okay.
Yes. Wait.
You got our camera?
Yeah. Wait, just wait. Vamos agarrando. Aquí vamos a ir dejando por. Nos vamos de regreso para abajo, vamos a pasar recogiendo. Saludos para todos mis amigos y seguimos grabando. Still there? Give me a second, I got it there. You recording for me?
You recorded already?
Yeah.
Okay. See right there? See right there?
Yeah.
Go closer. It's okay. Don't move. Go closer. Go. Ah, la.
I got too fast, man.
Oh man.
God damn, man, they go.
Oh man, miss.
Why do?
Oh man, me I killed already, man. Oh la. Oh man, miss catfish.
It's okay.
Okay, see you later. I'll call you. Yeah. I have to stay close to you. People can't see you. At daytime, very good.
Yeah, but at nighttime you cannot see it. I see. You feed?
Yeah, feed. Tomorrow I'll kill one more.
Me, I saw the big one.
I see that one? No. Yeah, go. Keep going. A lot of fish here. Ready? You see that one? That fish?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Hold on. Ready? Go closer, slowly. Go. Go. You missed.
I think I got it.
Are you sure?
I think so.
I saw you run, man.
Yeah? Oh yeah.
I told you. Oh
Why
my
is that
god.
moving, bro? I got too fast, man. Maybe me too slow, right?
Yeah. Like you missed the fish. That one big one.
Right.
No miss. Go closer. Go straight. Ah, you got it. You got it.
I got it.
You got it.
Yeah, shit. I need to get something. Shit.
Ah, yeah.
Man. Not so big, but it's good.
It's good. That one fry is good.
Yeah.
We need to find more. Around here a lot, man.
Yeah.
Around here a lot. Okay, put it over here. The fish run over here. Now we got so many fish already.
Yeah.
I think enough for tomorrow.
Enough?
Not yet. We need more.
We need one more. I need one more.
Yeah, one more.
Over here good. Over here good. Behind.
You have to. This one you have to slowly. They don't move, man.
Yeah. Just leave maybe. Big water. Huh? Big?
Yeah, big one. You recording?
Yeah. Huh? Let me see. Oh, shit, somebody.
Big one. Catch it.
Go. Hold this. Oh.
You see? Wait. Be careful. Be careful.
Okay. Wait, no.
Ready?
What? Eh, shit.
Let me take it out. Go outside.
Look at this.
Man, big one. Big one.
It's big.
Yeah.
It's a cup.
Wanna go outside? Man, big one.
You got it.
Big one, man. Shit.
How you take it?
Big one, be careful. Wait. Big one. Shit. You recorded it before I catch it?
After, I think.
After? No, it's okay. Wait. The fish.
Fish?
Yeah. It's okay. Go up there. Big one, man. Shit. Big one.
Just guys.
Damn. Very big.
Una carpa.
Big one,
Primera.
right?
Very good. Very big.
Okay, maybe let's go one more time.
Yeah, we go.
This one, put it outside. Later we come back here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe put it out somewhere. Maybe put it somewhere. The animal.
You think we leave it here?
Later raccoon.
Or we put it this one. Look at this.
Or maybe, yeah. We put it in the water.
Ah, very good, man.
Very good.
Yes.
Para comer mañana.
Oh, very good.
See, every time I say I don't want to kill the fish, I see every time. I don't know why.
Man, you're lucky now. Very good.
Very tight. Yeah.
Put in the water
Yeah.
and then tie it in the tree.
Yeah, the tree or the rock.
Let me see over there some. Like tree. No?
No. Maybe over there?
Over there. Mother, we powerful.
Oh, I forgot to buy powerball.
You don't buy it?
Not yet.
Tomorrow you can buy it.
Put out the tree over there, maybe that one. Para comer, amigo, mañana.
Para comer. Nomás agua, arroz.
No más, no más. Mañana frito, pescar. Yeah,
Pescado.
pescalo.
Very good, man.
Which one?
Vamos a ir grabando, estamos ahorita primero, la agarramos la primera. Ahí está una carpa bien chingona. Vamos a ir grabando, estos son los poderosos ganchos para que vean ahí con lo que andamos pescando. Así que vamos a seguir continuando a ver si cae otra. Nothing. Here we go.
Go back.
Yeah.
Okay, man. If you live in your country, you got 3 fish, 4 fish like this. You know already. Need a car.
Yeah, good. Yeah. Bueno, mis amigos, esta fue la pesca del día de hoy. Con esta nos vamos contentos para la casa porque ya es un poco tarde, ya son las 12 de la noche. Esto fue lo que cayó ahora, gracias a Dios. Pues nos fue bien, no nos fue del todo mal. Conseguimos estas carpas y los otros pescados más pequeños, pero una buena pesca para hacer unos buenos chicharrones mañana. Así de que gracias por ver el video, no olviden suscribirse, darle like ahí para seguir haciendo videos de cacería y pesca. Ahí está, en esta ocasión esto fue lo que cayó, esto es lo que agarramos. Gracias al Señor, saludos para todos y nos vemos en un próximo video. Vámonos. Contentos para la casa, señor, a dormir, a limpiar los pescados y a dormir un rato para mañana disfrutarlos. Así que vámonos.